up, guys? Back in the 98, Jimmy's behind the camera. We're actually heading to Columbus. We have the Gooseneck hooked up to the 98. I'm going to be picking up a new project. All I'm going to say is it's in a pickup truck form. I don't know if I'm going to show you guys in this video, or if I'll wait until next video to kind of build the suspense, but you'll just have to stick around to see what I do. But we're on our way up there. It's like a 30-minute drive, so we're gonna get up there, get it loaded, and get it back. So we'll see you shortly.
Ryan Little.
So guys, there it is. That is the new project, my new truck. So I did a lowering kit on that truck probably 3, 4, 5 months ago for a friend that I went to high school with. He ended up blowing the rear end out of it, asked if I wanted it. We're gonna do a little trading on it. He's got a Ford Ranger. I'm gonna do pretty much a whole Raptor liner job on. So I'll probably record that because I've never done a whole vehicle. I think it's gonna be cool. So that's what I'm doing for him, and that's how I'm getting this truck. First off, like I said, the rear end's blown out of it. We're gonna replace that. I can find one probably $125 to $200 right in that area. We'll throw it underneath there. We're gonna change up wheels and tires. It's got the 4.8 vortec in it, so we're probably just gonna do a simple tune-up kit on it for now. And then hopefully just kind of get some sponsorships as we go, maybe a cold air intake, maybe a sponsorship for a grill, headlights, taillights, just kind of dress it up. I don't want to spend a lot of money on this because I want to show you guys that you don't have to have thousands of dollars like a lot of these big YouTubers to have a fun truck like this. I have my 98 and my 79. I both kind of dumped some money in here and there. This one I'm going to kind of just be a low budget build. I'm going to call it the Junkyard Dawg. If you guys know the Danonator, he's got the silver Rusto, and he's kind of doing the same thing. He bought that GMC Sierra that he's turning into a nice truck. And this one's just gonna be my fun truck. Probably won't touch any of the bodywork unless I decide to keep it and it just starts to build into something. But for now, we're not gonna touch any of that. Like I said, we're probably just gonna do some simple upgrades, make sure all the brakes and stuff are good to go, tune-up kit, get some good gas in it. It's been sitting for what, 3 weeks at that tow yard?
3 or 4 weeks.
So we'll get that taken care of, and then, like I said, we're gonna get a new rear end for it. It probably won't all happen at one time. It's probably going to be a couple series. We're just going to call it the Junkyard Dawg series. Like I said, probably start off with the rear end, change the U-joint on the back of the drive shaft, check all the fluids, do a tune-up kit, and then go from there. If I decide to keep it and don't sell it on Marketplace or something, might end up looking at like a turbo kit or something for it, just because the 4.8 can hold a lot of boost, and they can, I mean, you can get 600 horsepower out of them, no problem. But if we do that, obviously, probably do a stage 2 cam, all new lifters, rods, I mean, all that stuff, just to kind of be on the safe side so we don't turbo it and blow it up right away, because I don't want to spend all the money on the turbo kit and then we blow it up and have to redo everything else. But that being said, guys, it's going to be just a fun build. I want to bring you guys along. Like I said, it's just going to be kind of like a budget build. We're going to do see if we can get some sponsors for headlights and taillights, the grill, like I said, just to go along the way. We're gonna keep date of every cent, every penny we spend on this budget build. Got a couple ideas how I'm gonna throw the YouTube logo and stuff on it. Probably do a roll pan, get rid of the hitch and stuff, because we're not gonna tow anything with it. It's just gonna be a fun project truck. So that being said, guys, I hope you will enjoy this series. Be sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell notification, so you know every time I upload. I'm the GM Man. That's Jimmy. Remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.